guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am just showing you guys this really quick, really easy, simple to do green eye tutorial. This is not part of my spring series. I got inspired because I recently purchased this from BH Cosmetics, and since I am a Taurus myself, hello, I figured I'd do a cool look using this palette for you guys today. So really easy, totally simple, very neutral focus on these. So if you guys want to see how I got this antique-y green, I don't know, I'll come up with a better name for the video, look, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so here's the finished look. Like I said at the beginning, super easy to do, not too difficult. So if you guys enjoyed getting to watch this very quick and easy green kind of makeup tutorial, then tell me down below. And I am still taking suggestions for the next video in my color series. I've had some people suggesting blue, so I might do that next, but what about afterglow? What colors do you guys want to see in that series? Tell me down below, or comment on the last video I uploaded in that series, which I will link right up there for you guys to go check it out. As always, if you guys aren't already, make sure you're subscribed to my channel, and also give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. That way I know you guys are enjoying these videos. I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!